G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here, day number 13 at the brand new car wash. What is that? What? New bill changer? Oh my goodness. So yeah, I put a new bill changer in yesterday. That was exciting. That was the one I bought last year in December. I had it in my garage, and whoever's been watching my videos will know that I needed to upgrade the Row BC 1400 that was there. It had the very old system in there and they don't make it anymore, so I was looking for an upgrade, and I thought, well, instead of upgrading it, let me just put this one in since I had it. Didn't have to spend any more money on it. It's got 2 bill validators in it, which is nice because if one goes down, the other one works. So I got 3 bill changes here essentially, which will be very nice. So let's see what's going on for today. So we did make it ugly, but for a reason. Obviously there was a little gap around the edge, so we welded stainless steel top and bottom so no one can get in with a crowbar. All they can do is ruin the bezel. So give me your best shot. And today we are making covers for the coin safes because, you know, people try and break in, take my tokens, and I don't like that, and neither does Edwin. So Actually, he does like it because when someone breaks in and ruins something, he gets work.
Yeah.
He has to fix it, so he makes more money.
I don't like it because I feel your pain, but at the same time,
thanks, brother.
give me something to do.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah, of course.
He's not smiling, he's not frowning, he's just neutral mouth.
Yeah.
So that's what he's doing right now. We got freaking 1/2 inch thick steel. So we'll have to show the end result for that. So as we head on inside, see a little bit of mess. Oh yeah, I painted the blue stripes and I haven't showed you guys yet. Haven't even showed you yet. But you probably saw it. There it is. Bays are painted. Bays are painted. A little tacky with the whole white thing from the spray gun. It's annoying, but whatever. So yeah, it's ready to go. Today I'm gonna paint the vacuum bases. So I got the pressure washer. I need to spray them down and give them a clean before I put the paint on, for obvious reasons. Oh, someone left me some lunch. Cool. Save about 15 bucks on my Denny's. So yeah, I'm gonna paint these bad boys today. I'll wash them down, get rid of that vomit. And it's gonna be nice, so I'll show you guys that. And that's it. Another day at the car wash, another day closer. What the hell are we doing here? We making Fort Knox prison. Yeah. Alcatraz. Yeah, boy. Yeah, buddy. So I've done the top. Very bright. It'll fade over time, I'm sure, but let's continue, shall we? As you can see, I've got two down. Can't even speak. The sun is making me delirious. It's 85 degrees. I'm burning up a storm. So I had to get out of the sun and put my pullover on. But I still got to spray them with the sprayer because the same thing as the bays. The roller doesn't get in the gap, so I got to spray the gaps. You guys get it. Wow, it's so bright. I almost need sunglasses to look at it. But it brings a nice, bright, vibrant, happy feel. And with the brand new vacuums on there, it's gonna look splendid. Alrighty, all four done, rolled on. Now it's time to spray them. Looks pretty clean. Looks pretty clean. Look at that. Same color as the Corvette. That was my inspiration. Damn, what the hell?
What's up, bro?
What the hell? Let's see it.
Yeah, so I pretty much built like a little gate. That's what it is. But instead to be huge, just doing like a little one for the coins. So now, let's see if you're close. Okay.
On.
Ready?
Wow, so dramatic. That's beautiful.
Boom. Right there.
Perfection.
Hold on, one more thing. This is gonna tell us the truth. That's it.
Smack bang in the center. That's a job well done.
Yeah.
Welded here so they
Very
can't take
happy
them
with
off.
the result.
Yeah. So they're gonna have to get through this. Obviously we're gonna have a lock here, you'll see. And they're gonna get through 2 locks.
Yeah.
And 1/2 inch steel. Hell
We
yeah.
might put a cover on top. That will be more secure.
Yeah.
But
That's good for now.
for now.
Good job,
Well, right
Edwin.
here, right?
Oh yeah, we'll never get in. So what happens when you're working 85 degrees in a hoodie? You turn into a sweat bomb. I feel like I just worked out, but I didn't. I just got lower back pain, that's it. Gross. The things we do for car washes. Another thing when you get a car wash and you renovate it. If you're out there and you're looking to lose weight, this is the way to do it. I've dropped 17 pounds since starting in 5 weeks, just because I'm so active up and down ladders. I'm eating twice a day versus 5 times a day like before. So if you want to lose weight, get a car wash. You can see I've got nothing left. 24 years to build, 5 weeks for it to go. You done?
I'm done.
Are we gonna show them?
Show him. Hold on.
Probably not.
Okay.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. Let's get the lock.
Ready?
All right, look at this.
Show them the welding in the back first.
Why?
Look at that. Look at how clean.
Any professional welders out there?
Yeah.
Let us know what you think of Edwin's welding.
Okay.
All right.
This is the ending.
All right, film me put the lock on. Oh, this is
And
exciting.
the reason why I'm doing this because I just finished welding, so if I go like this, it's gonna burn my hands.
Oh, I thought you were just lazy. You didn't want to lean forward and grab it.
No, I always thinking with my brain.
With your brain.
let's
Put the
do-
lock on,
Okay, let's do it.
if he knows how. Damn, so there we go. One lock to get to the other.
That's it.
Double lockage.
Double.
Double lockage.
Yeah. Double like an eating out.
Yeah. So we got one more to go. Because before we did it, this was it, of course. So why give them easy access?
Yeah.
Now it's like Fort Knox. Oh my God, who did that paint job out there? It looks amazing. So that's it. Time for lunch.
Lunchtime.
Here we are once again after a hard day's work at a new restaurant, the Mexican place. Look at that. Edwin's smashed. Look at the size of the beer. Yep, he's gonna start talking rubbish.
No.
Yeah.
Everything good here.
There's my burrito, fish, rice, beans, and cabbage.
It looks so good.
Looks so good, so time to feast.
Thank you for watching.
Moment of the truth. Are you paying for me?
Yeah.
Oh
pay for
my
free.
goodness, he's paying.
He always pay, but this time because it's Saturday.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
For the first time in a few years.
First time in a few years. Thank you. All right, so that's it for today. That's it for this video. The sun took it out of me. We decided to spray paint the things next time and finish off that other safe next time. Time to go home and get some freaking water because I'm dying. All right, guys, Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. See you all next time.